If you're looking for the best, new expensive Casio G-Shock watches based on specifications, you're in the right place. All the watches buying links are given in the video description. Number 10. Casio G-Shock Mr. G MRG B2000SH. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Construction, shock resistant, water resistance, 200 meters, magnetic resistance, ISO 764 compliant magnetic resistance, radio frequency, 77.5 kHz, DCF77 Germany, 60 kHz, MSF UK, 60 kHz, WWVB USA, 40 kHz, JJY Fukushima, Japan, 60 kHz, JJY Kyushu, Japan, 68.5 kHz, BPC China, radio wave reception, automatic reception up to 6 times per day, except for use in China up to 5 times per day. Communication specifications. Communication standard, Bluetooth low energy signal range, up to 2 meters, may differ depending on surrounding conditions. World time, power saving after a certain period in a dark location. Size of case, 54.7 by 49.8 by 16.9 millimeters. Total weight, approximately 150 grams. Number 9. Casio G-Shock GM B2100. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Type, wristwatch. Reference number, GMB2100D 1AJF. Movement, quartz. Dial color, black. Band color, silver. Band material, stainless steel. Display, analog and digital. Number 8. Casio G-Shock GWG1000. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Band material, resin. Dial color, black. Watch shape, round. Style, military. Case size, 59.5 by 56.1 by 18 millimeters. Features, water resistant. With manual/booklet, yes. Case material, resin. Display, analog and digital. Number 7. Casio G-Shock GWF D1000 Frogman. Case color, black. Blue, black. Water resistance, 200 meters. Movement, quartz. Indices, 12 hours. Dial, 24-hour. Dial, caseback, screw caseback. Type, wristwatch. Band color, black. Band material, carbon fiber. Lug width, 22 millimeters. Dial color, black. Watch shape, round. Case size, 59.2 millimeters. Features, date indicator, backlight, atomic/radio controlled, alarm, moon phase, LED display, day indicator. Case material, stainless steel resin. Display, digital. Number 6. Casio G-Shock MTG B1000D. Water resistance 200 meters. Movement, quartz. Indices, 12-hour. Dial, 12-hour. Dial, 24-hour. Dial, seconds hand, multiple hands. Band/strap, bracelet. Case color, silver. Type, wristwatch. Band color, red, silver, gray. Band material, stainless steel. Dial color, black. Watch shape, round. Style, diver, sport, luxury, casual. Features, water resistant, shock resistant. Date indicator, backlight. Atomic/radio controlled. Power reserve indicator, alarm. Sapphire crystal. Day indicator, chronograph. Case material, sapphire resin. Display, analog, digital. Number 5. Casio G-Shock MTG B1000 XBD. This watch is marvelous and very easy to adjust. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, sapphire crystal. Display type, analog. Case material, resin/carbon. Case diameter, 5.2 centimeters. Case thickness, 14.4 millimeters. Band material, resin. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Item weight, 6.03 ounces. Movement, quartz. Number 4. Casio G-Shock FROGMAN GWF A1000. The new GWF A1000s are the first analog models for the FROGMAN series of Master of G ISO 200 meter diver level water resistant watches. Maintaining the asymmetrical face design that has been the iconic look of this series since its start in 1993, these new models show home, time, dual time, tide information, and dive time measurement in analog format. The carbon monologue structure of this model incorporates the case and back cover into a single unit. Display type, analog, clasp, tang buckle, case material, resin, case diameter, 5.3 centimeters, case thickness, 19.7 millimeters, band material, resin, dial color, black, item weight, 4.2 ounces, movement, Japanese quartz. Number 3. Casio G-Shock MTG B2000PH. The MTG B2000PH is a special model based on the carbon MTG B2000 with a Blue Phoenix themed design. The Blue Phoenix is a legendary bird whose appearance is said to be a harbinger of good things to come. Both the bezel and the case of this model have a rainbow ion plated finish for a striking design. Display type, analog, clasp, tang buckle, case diameter, 5.1 centimeters, case thickness, 15.9 millimeters, band width, 26.8 millimeters, dial color, blue, item weight, 4.48 ounces, movement, quartz. Number 2. Casio G-Shock MRG B2000B. The watch is very accurate and comfortable with a great wrist presence. Case/bezel material, titanium, solid band, tight lock, one press, 3-fold clasp, titanium band, sapphire glass with non-reflective coating, neo-bright magnetic resistant, shock resistant, crew lock crown, deep layer hardening plus DLC coating, 200 meter water resistance, tough solar, solar powered, LED light, super illuminator, frequency 77.5 kHz, station name MSF, Anthorn, England, frequency 60 kHz, station name WWVB, Fort Collins, United States, frequency 60 kHz, station name JJY, Fukushima, Fukuoka/Saga, Japan, frequency 40 kHz, Fukushima, 60 kHz, Fukuoka/Saga, station name BPC, Shanxi City, Henan Province, China, frequency 68.5 kHz, mobile link, wireless linking using Bluetooth, the auto hand home position correction, size of case 54.7 by 49.8 by 16.9 millimeters, total weight 150 grams. Number 1. Casio G-Shock G-Squad Pro GSW H1000. Water resistance 200 meters, watch shape round, style casual sport, case color black, complications altimeter, case material resin, movement quartz, band material resin, type wristwatch, features 24-hour dial, 12-hour dial, alarm, atomic/radio controlled, backlight, Bluetooth, chronograph, date indicator, day indicator, GPS, bezel color, black, indices, Arabic numerals, dial color, black, band color, black, display, digital.